Hello all and welcome back. So now that we have done all the analysis and understanding about our time complexity, let us now solve some question and solidify our understanding, which will further help you to actually find out the complexities of any code you write. So let's get started. Now the very first thing which I'm going to write so that you always remember is time complexity is not equal to time taken, right? So writing this separately so that you always remember this and never make this mistake. I've seen many students making this mistake even after having the whole idea about time complexity. So always remember this. Now let us solve the first question, which is complexity of finding middle of our list or array, right? So middle of our list. We are interested in finding out that how does finding the middle of our list actually varies with respect to the input size of your particular list, right? The time complexity, how it varies with respect to the input size of your list. So let's understand this a little bit. Now, if we think about it, let's say if we are given a list of size, different sizes, right? Let's say this is n is equals to maybe 10,000. This is n is equals to 1 million. And let's say n is equals to 100, we will actually agree that for finding out the middle, right, the operations which I have to do, that is not actually getting changed or getting any affected by the length, right? So to find the middle out, to actually find out the middle, all I have to do is to make sure that I do a single operation which is just divided by 2, right? That is what I say is the middle element. Now it doesn't matter because I have n already, it doesn't matter what the value of n is. I can just divide, do this single operation and get my answer. So on that note, what I think is that to find out your overall middle, you will be doing some k work, right? Let's say we say that this takes some k operations, okay? This particular finding out, and then let's say if it is a function, you're going to return it as well. So it is going to take some k operations. So that is actually independent of your input side. So I can maybe write it n to the power 0, right? Which is going to be 1 finally. And of course, this is lower bounded by k plus 1. Here I can write n to the power 0, which is nothing going to be my g of n. So now we have already seen how the big O complexity is defined. If this is the case, then of course I can very comfortably say that complexity is big O of 1 or n to the power 0. So this is a constant time operation. We say that this is a constant time operation. It doesn't get affected by your input size. Okay. So I hope this is clear, everyone. Now let's meet in the next video and do another question. Thank you.